stand for computer. C stands for common. O stands for oriented or operating. M stands for machine. P stands for particularly. U stands for used for. T stands for trade. E stands for education. And R stands for research. Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yesterday in previous class I explained some abbreviations related to computers. In continuation to that, now I'll explain some abbreviations related to computers. DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System. DBMS is software designed to store, retrieve, define and manage data in a database. DDS. DDS stands for Digital Data Storage. It is the industry standard for digital audio tape (DAT) formats. And next, DMP dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printers can produce characters by creating a series of dots which are closely spaced together. DWP Daisy Wheel Printer. The daisy wheel is resembled to the daisy flower. Daisy wheel printing was used in electronic typewriters and word processors and computers from 1972. And next, DNS, Domain Name System. DNS is how domain names are translated into IP addresses, and DNS also controls email. DNS is a phone book of the internet. And next, DBA, Database Administrator. DBA is a specialized computer systems administrator who maintains a successful database. DPI stands for dots per inch, which technically means printed dots per inch. Next, DOS, Disk Operating System. It is an operating system that runs from a hard disk drive. DAT, Digital Audio Tape. It is a sequential access medium and is commonly used for backups. Developed by Sony, introduced in the year 1987. And next, DDL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. It is a syntax for creating and modifying database objects such as tables, indexes, and users. And next, DMA, Direct Memory Access. It is a method of transferring data from the computer's RAM to another part of the computer without processing it using the CPU. And next, DRAM, Dynamic RAM. DRAM is a type of semiconductor memory that is typically used for the data or program code needed by a computer processor to function. Next, DVD. DVD stands for Digital Versatile Disc or Digital Video Disc. It is a digital optical disc storage format invented and developed in the year 1995 and released in late 1996. DVD-R, it means DVD recordable. DVD-ROM, DVD read-only memory. DVD-RW stands for DVD rewritable. DVR, Digital Video Recorder. It is an electronic device that records video in a digital format. And next, e-commerce. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce. It is the buying and selling of goods and services or the transmitting of funds or data over an electronic network, primarily known as Internet. EPROM, Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. It is a type of programmable read-only memory, PROM chip, that retains its data when its power supply is switched off. EEPROM, Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. It is read-only memory whose contents can be erased and reprogrammed using a pulsed voltage. And next, ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. It was the first electronic general-purpose digital computer. It was Turing complete and able to solve a large class of numerical programs through reprogramming. And next, EDVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Arithmetic Calculator. It was one of the earliest electronic computers. Unlike its predecessor, the ENISC, it was binary rather than decimal and was a stored program machine. EXE, Executable. EXE is a common file name extension denoting an executable file for Microsoft Windows. Next, EBCDIC, Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. It is a computer code for representing alphanumeric characters. Email or ELM, Electronic Mail. It is one of the most widely used features of the Internet, along with the web. Next, EOF, End of File. It is a condition in a computer operating system where no more data can be read from data source. Next, FTP, File Transfer Protocol. It is a standard network protocol used for the transfer of computer files between a client and server on a computer network. FM, Frequency Modulation. It is a method of encoding of information in a carrier wave by varying the frequency of the carrier wave. FIFO, First In, First Out. It assumes that the oldest products in a company's inventory have been sold first and goes by those production costs. FS, File System. It controls how data is stored and retrieved. And next, Fortran, Formula Translation. It is a general purpose, compiled, imperative programming language that is especially suited to numeric computation and scientific computing. FDD, Floppy Disk Drive. It is a hardware device that reads data storage information. IBM was one of the first types of hardware storage that could read, write a portable device. Fax, Facsimile. Far Away Xerox. It is the telephonic transmission of scanned printed material, normally to a telephone number connected to a printer or other output device. FAT, File Allocation Table. It is used by the OS operating system to manage files on hard drives and other computer systems.